with is a half a cup. Today I was going to show you how we make a coleslaw type dressing. Steve goes to Kroger and he buys the kale chopped salad mix, which is, I don't like kale. It's probably the only food I think of I don't like. And we throw out the dressing that comes with it and we make this dressing. So I wanted to make it for y'all to kind of show y'all some different ways that you can incorporate several of our videos, because this has got several of our previous videos in it. So what we're going to start with is a half a cup of our mayonnaise that we made in another video. Put it in a bowl. And then a half a cup of your unsweetened, unflavored plant milk. You don't want vanilla coleslaw. It's kind of gross. And then an eighth of a cup of your Dijon mustard. I mean, think about when you used to make coleslaw when you weren't plant-based, what you put in it. And that's kind of the same concept. It's not reinventing the wheel here, y'all. Just take your recipes and think, how can I adjust that? And adjust it. And then 1 to 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, depending on how you're going to use it. If you like it a little sweeter, feel free to add a little more. Taste is the most important thing. And then 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. And this is a teaspoon of salt and a half a teaspoon of just pepper. And then in here we have our sour cream that we've also made in another video, and it's about an eighth of a cup. Steve actually likes the sour cream better than the mayonnaise. To each their own. Okay, so now we're just going to whisk that puppy up. You can add this to a traditional coleslaw mix with cabbage, or even a broccoli slaw, or like he does, the kale slaw. Or you could probably just use it as a regular salad type dressing, because it is in that realm of things. But there you have it, yummy, yummy, yummy coleslaw dressing. Let me get a spoon and show y'all more better how that looks. Let's see. Enjoy. Be sure to like, subscribe, share, ring that bell so you know every time a new video is uploaded, because Lord knows we're not consistent. And